Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are having an incredible dining experience at Haidilao in Xi'an, famous for its amazing hot pot. Founded in Sichuan in 1994, Haidilao has become China's largest hot pot chain with over 1,300 locations across China and beyond. Let's dive into this culinary journey together. One of the highlights of Haidilao is the selection of fresh ingredients. We opted for an array of meats, veggies, and of course, the noodle pulling performance and the famous fish paste, which we are going to turn into fish balls. Check this out. The staff here are pros at scooping up the fish paste. They skillfully take a scoop of the paste and with quick hands, they form perfect little fish balls. As the meal progresses, we are treated to another highlight of the Haidilao experience, the noodle pulling performance. The staff come out with big smiles and a ton of energy, and it's a show you won't want to miss. Look at him! He's not just making noodles, he's dancing while doing it. Where's your Spotify? Our experience at Haidilao has been nothing short of spectacular. The food, the entertainment, and the incredible service have made this a night to remember. If you're ever in Xi'an, you have to check out Haidilao. It's more than just a meal. It's an experience filled with flavors, fun, and great hospitality. Thanks for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more delicious adventures. Until next time, happy eating!